Okay, so welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a logic where we can have two players join a same map. So that means we have two local multiplayer players, that is using LAN, and then we will join them to a main server map. So for that, what we can do is let's create a new level, basic, and name this, let's save this and name it menu. Now open this menu level, create a new blueprint, name this menu game mode, and create a widget. Name this find join match. Now open this find join match, add a canvas panel, and then what you need to do is add two buttons with text so that we can have one find and one join button. So let's place this in the middle, and size to content. Name this create match, and name this join match. This to size to content, middle, and you can just lower this by decreasing this, increasing this position by. And now when the create match button is pressed, we will just make an on clicked event and make create session. This is a default in-game functionality of Unreal Engine. And for player controller, we will just get the player controller, local player controller, because widget exists on local player. And you can take this use LAN. And if it is success, then we will open our multiplayer menu, which is located in this third person maps folder. Right click, rename, and copy this. And on success means the session has been created. So we will just open level and paste this level here. And the option should be listen, because this is a listen server. On failure, you can just print a string that session creation failed. Public connections is the number of people you can have in match, so it's just 5. And then join match. You can get find sessions, and get the player controller. Max results would be 5. Use LAN, and this give you a result of all the sessions, like 5 sessions here. And make it get a copy of the first one and check if the first one is valid. If it is valid, then make a branch. If this is true, then we just join the session. And now because the level is, now when we join the session, we are under this person who has created the session, then whichever level he has opened, we will also open that. So this basic functionality should work. Let's check. We also need to create the widget on the screen. So let's go to our event graph. On event begin play, create a widget. There should be find join match and add to view button. Let's have 2 players as standalones. And also one more thing which we can do is we have to get the player controller, and we need to enable the set show mouse button so that we can see our mouse button. And you can even set input mode UI only, so the UI can be clicked on, and give it a self reference. And on event destruct, that means when we leave this widget, we can just take this and we can just copy this and set input mode game only. Let's play. Let's create a match. Now we are in a match. Let's find a match. So we should be in the same match. So yeah, we are in the same match, and this is running on local multiplayer. And you can now replicate. So basically, both of these are now standalones. But the person who created the match would be the owner of the server and can be called the host. So yeah, all the functions of the server would be running on his mobile and or his device. So the functions that where you call the server events would be quicker on the server itself. That's why we use dedicated servers in this case. But that is for another day. So that is it for this video. Meet you in the next one. Thank you.